This demo is going to show you how to put together some of your pieces in Photoshop. So presuming that you have either got some stock images that you've taken off of the internet from the pieces that I've put online on that PDF, or you've drawn something and you've taken a photograph of it. Maybe it's some photographs that you've taken, or maybe you're using the logo images that I've provided you guys for AIC branding. In any event, assuming that you have some source images, you're going to need to bring them together into the canvas, the composition that you've created. So I'm assuming that we're starting off having created our file as I showed you in the last demo, and now you've got some images you're going to want to bring in together. And over the course of this next part of the demo and then the next one, we're going to start pulling all the pieces together that you'll need in order to make your poster. So to start off, we're going to go up and we're going to open up those other source images that you have. Now, if you want to follow along and do this demo with me, you have these demo images available to you in Blackboard. So I'm going to go ahead and go up to File, Open, and that'll let me navigate to the images I have. So I have these two images which you have available to you in your Blackboard demo. The first one is a JPEG image that is some background for paper. So it's got some texture on it. I'm going to go ahead and open that guy. As you can see, it's got that texture. And then the other one, I'm going to go ahead and open, and it's this one with all these vegetables. And that, as you can see, is a Photoshop document. So it has a transparent background, and so we're going to be able to bring in these like line art pieces on their own. And so I'm going to show you how you can get these into your document in the next set.